Very good afternoon, global citizens. From SBSH Digital Channel, Commander Sudhir Kumar is bringing the second post about what is going to be the new global order after COVID, post COVID-19. First of all, I would like to apprise you rather that we must realize that how it happened. The COVID-19 has happened because I consider that due to unplanned destruction of forest, the exploitation of resources of Mother Nature were done at a very rapid pace without any planning of restoration of Mother Nature or environment protection. By virtue of that, what has happened that the species, the rare viruses and bacteria, they have lost their habitats, and by virtue of that, a natural mutation has taken place of coronavirus into human from the bat family of species. So here I wrote a mail and post on LinkedIn in January 2019 before WEF, World Economic Forum annual meeting was taking place, and I addressed this mail to near about 3,000 intellectuals, think tanks, Nobel laureates, business heads, global heads, the global leaders, the country heads, that we as a global collective efforts, GCE failed to provide enough protection to the Mother Nature, to restore the balance of Mother Nature, or to have the recovery of what we were destroying in Mother Nature. We exploited the resources to a level where we are having, the climate change. The environmental protection were not given adequate attention. And when I say that we are 50 years behind, it means whatever we now do following SDGs by 2030, I am sure that will not be able to restore this balance of Mother Nature. This COVID-19 is just one recurrence of what we have destroyed in Mother Nature. There may be many more such kind of things which is going to take place unprecedentedly, for which we are not ready, even we don't have an inkling of it. Now, what could happen? First of all, when we are thinking that we are coming out from this lockdown post COVID-19, we have to think that how at earliest we restore this balance of Mother Nature, and how we can do that. That we must not think that we must have growth or the profits in businesses, opening new businesses, but we have to use circular economy, reprocessing of the things, and we have to gainfully employ our population. So we have to do the redistribution of resources among the masses, so that it is not only the wealth creators, they are becoming richer every year, rather than the people, the poor at last mile, they are also having a respectable living standards. This looks that if we are not having any growth, if we are not having an economic activity, then how this world is going to function? Our economy will collapse. But why we want to have this spurt in our share markets? Why we are in this race that we must have this expansion globally. We must be the number one company. Our GDP must increase at a very rapid pace. Why we are not thinking the same way, that how early we can restore the balance of Mother Nature? How we can do this distribution of prosperity or the good life among the poor at last mile? I am talking about that better we restore now inequality. Mother Nature has given us a chance. The many businesses in every sphere of life are down today, and tomorrow when we think of coming out from the lockdown and we start our economic activities, we must think no loss, no profit. All have to be socially viable. We have to think of sustainability of human race. Human race sustainability depends upon the sustainability of Mother Nature. It means if we don't protect environment to a desired level, the climate change cannot be controlled. So we have to come out from the use of fossil fuels. It could be done only when we are going electric vehicles everywhere and the fossil fuels are discarded. We give up the thermal power stations at the earliest, and we must have a mix of nuclear energy, wind energy and solar energy, the renewable energy sources fast. Then we must try that none of fossil fuels or any kind of thing is used which is having an impact on climate. Secondly, we have to restore our forests, the biodiversity balance, ecological balance, the marine sea life at the earliest. We must get rid of plastic in this world. Our seas are full of plastic. Our shores are full of plastic. And mangroves, those used to be at the seashore, they are also destructive. We have to restore them. The moment we start towards this, the global collective efforts, if it start this way, then I am sure that we are going to revert back to a normal life fast. So once again, I would like to say that friends, no more rapid pace of progress, growth, industrialization or the industrialization 4.0. We must think of living index, how to improve the quality of life of people, and that too at the last mile. If we do that, I am sure we'll be overcoming the part of inequality. We'll be having redistribution of wealth among poor so that they are having a very respectable life to lead. Whatever resources we are saving that we could have towards education and health. We must adopt circular economy where we are going to use the resources after reprocessing them, recycling them and making new products. We have to use artificial intelligence, machine learning and IoT towards the benefit of human being. And for the sustainability of human being is that we take care of climate change, environment protection. Now in the last, I would like to say the global collective efforts have to work together now after post-COVID, that how we can have the business continuity plan for the entire human fraternity on earth so that we can unitedly fight against this kind of an virus spread pandemic in the future. We must come together to fight against cyber security and terrorism. Thank you very much.